Hello students, hope you all are fine at your home. I'm your math teacher Priya Sachar. Welcome you all in my online class of 7th. Today we will start our new chapter number 7, ratio, proportion and unitary method. But before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe my channel, so whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification for that. But don't forget to write your name, class and section in the comment box for daily attendance. If we compare two quantities of same type and same unit called ratio, we write the ratio of A and B as A is to B, right? The first term A is called the antecedent and the second term B is called the consequent of the ratio. A ratio has no units. For example, if Rahul has 3 bananas and Aman has 2 bananas, then if we have to find out the ratio, so what it will be? It will be 3 is to 2, right? Where 3 is called antecedent and 2 is called consequent. Next topic is commensurable and non-commensurable quantities. When the units of two quantities are same, the quantities are called commensurable quantities. Here you can see 12 kg with 18 kg. Both units are same and having the same quantity, that is weight, right? So these are commensurable quantities. When the quantities are commensurable but units are not same, for example 2 meter and 30 centimeter, so in that case we can convert the unit as same and then we can compare them. Non-commensurable quantities are not like quantities, it has no meaning. To find the ratio is also not possible. For example, 3 kilogram and 16 liters. Next topic is ratio in simplest form. A ratio A is to B is said to be in its simplest form if both A and B have no common factor other than 1. For example, this ratio 48 is to 36, if we have to convert into its simplest form, then first we have to find its HCF. So HCF of 48 and 36 is 12. So A and B both we have to divide it by 12. So that means 48 divided by 12 upon 36 divided by 12. It will be 4 by 3. So 4 is to 3 is the simplest form of 48 is to 36. Next topic is converting fractions into simple ratio. For example, these two fractions ratio, if we have to convert into simplest form, so first we have to take denominators LCM. LCM of 7 and 6 will be 42, and then this 42 we have to multiply it with each fraction. 6 by 7 into 42 will be 36. 5 by 6 into 42 will be 35. So ratio is 36 is to 35. Now come to chapter 7, ratio, proportion and unitary method, exercise 7a. First numerical, express the given quantities in ratio form wherever possible. So first part is that 36 apples, 45 oranges. Right? Here you can see quantities are different, apples and oranges. So in that case, solution is not possible. Right? This type of solution is not possible when quantities are different because these are non-commensurable. Right? Because these are non-commensurable. Now in the second part, 28 students and 42 students. In these two quantities you can see units are same. So these quantities are commensurable. Right? So that means we can find its ratio. So what we can write? 28 students upon 42 students in the form of A upon B, right? Now cancel out. 7 4s are 28, 7 6s are 42, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So that means 2 ratio 3. 2 is to 3 will come. Is it clear? Now come to fifth part, 49 paise and rupees 3. These two quantities are commensurable, but units are different. So we have to change first unit as same by using relation rupees 1 is equals to 100 paise, right? That means rupees 3 we can convert into paise. So 100 into 3, that is 300 paise. Now find the ratio. We can write as 49 paise upon, instead of rupees 3 we can write as 300 paise, right? So ratio will be 49 ratio 300, or we can say 49 is to 300. Hope it is clear to you. Now come to sixth part, 4 days to 5 weeks. Here we can see these two quantities are commensurable, but units are different. So first we have to convert into same unit. We know that 1 week is equals to 7 days. So 5 weeks is equals to 7 into 5, 35 days. Now instead of 5 weeks, we can write as 35 days. Both quantities are now in the same unit. We can find its ratio. Clear? Write in the form of A upon B, 4 days upon 35 days, and ratio form will be 4 is to 35. Now come to sum number 2. Find the ratio of the given quantities and express in their simplest form. So here in this first part, 54 oranges to 76 oranges. We have to convert into simplest form, right? So first method is to find HCF. Here HCF of 54 and 76. What will be the HCF? That is 2. So 54 oranges upon 76 oranges. These numerator and denominator we have to divide it by 2 to convert into simplest form, right? When we will divide it by 2, it will come as 27 by 38. Clear? So ratio will be 27 is to 38. Clear? This is the first method to convert any ratio into simplest form. And second method, in second method we can take these two quantities in ratio in the form of A upon B, and we can simply cut, right? 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. So ratio will be 27 is to 38. Clear? In exam, any method you can apply. Now second part, 3 whole 2 by 3 to 4 whole 1 by 2. Here you can see these two quantities are in mixed fraction. So we have to convert into improper fraction, okay, and write in ratio. So 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 is 11 by 3 is 2, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9 by 2. Now we have to divide. Ratio means division of two quantities. First quantity divided by the second quantity. So when we will convert division sign, this is to sign into multiplication, we have to write second quantities reciprocal. So 9 upon 2 we can write as 2 upon 9. Now convert into simplest form. Can we cancel out anything? No. So we have to just multiply numerators 11 into 2, 22, and denominators 3 into 9, 27, right? So ratio is 22 is to 27. Now fourth part, 18 hours to 2 days. Here we can see these two quantities having different unit. So we have to convert into same unit first. We know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. So that means 2 days is equals to 24 into 2, 48 hours. Right? Now ratio of these two quantities we can write as in the form of A upon B, that is 18 hours upon, instead of 2 days we can write as 48 hours. So 18 upon 48 we can convert into simplest form, we can cut. So 3 upon 8 will come. So ratio form we can write as 3 is to 8. Now 8th part, 90 kg to 2 quintal. We know that 1 quintal is equals to 100 kilogram. So 2 quintal will be equals to 2 into 100, 200 kilogram. Right? Now 2 in these two quantities units are same, kilogram. Now we can find its ratio, 90 kilogram upon 200 kilogram. Right, in the form of A upon B. Now simplify, 0 to 0 we can cancel out, 9 upon 20, and its ratio form will be 9 is to 20. Now 10th part, 3 whole 1 upon 2 biscuits, 2 6 whole 1 upon 3 biscuits, 2 7 whole 1 upon 4 biscuits. 3 quantities are there. So in case we have to find its ratio, we can write as 7 upon 2 is to 19 upon 3 is to 29 by 4. Convert these 3 mixed fraction into improper fraction. Right? Now find LCM. LCM of 2, 3 and 4 will be 12. Clear? So this 12 we have to multiply it with each quantity. 7 upon 2 into 12, 7 6 are 42, 19 upon 3 into 12, 3 4s are 12, 19 4s are 76, and 29 by 4 into 12, cancel out, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 29 into 3 is 87. So ratio of these 3 quantities into simplest form will be 42 ratio 76 ratio 87, or we can say 42 is to 76 is to 87. Now come to third numerical. Write the ratio in the simplest form in each of the following. First part is 36 minutes to 1 hour 20 minutes. Here you can see units are different. So first convert into same unit. So we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Right? So 1 hour 20 minutes is equals to 60 plus 20, 80 minutes. This 1 hour we can write as 60, and 60 plus 20 will be 80 minutes. Now write in the form of A upon B, 36 minutes upon 1 hour 20 minutes we can write as 80 minutes, and then simplify. 9 upon 20 will come and convert into ratio form, then it will be 9 is to 20. Now second part, 4 meter 15 centimeter to 75 centimeter. Here again in these two quantities units are different. So first convert into same unit. We know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 4 meter 15 centimeter will be, 4 meter we can write as 4 into 100 centimeter. Right? And plus 15 centimeter. So when we will simplify, 415 centimeter will come. Clear? Now write in the form of A upon B. This 4 meter 15 centimeter we can write as 415 centimeter whole upon 75 centimeter. Now cancel out. Answer will be 83 is to 15. Now sixth part, 2 score bananas to 1 dozen bananas. 2 score bananas. We know that 1 score is equals to 20. So 2 score will be equals to 20 into 2, 40 bananas. And 1 dozen bananas is equals to 12 bananas, right? Now we have converted these two quantities units in the same unit. Clear? Now after converting into the same units, it becomes 40 bananas upon 12 bananas. Now convert into simplest form, cancel out, 10 by 3 will come, and we can write as 10:3 in the ratio form. Clear? Now I am giving you some numericals from exercise 7a. Do all these numericals in your classwork notebook. PDF of this home task and today's work is also available in description below. If any query, then you can write in comment section. Okay, bye bye, take care.